He's chilling.
That greedy one. Look at him. Got a handful, and he's stronger than all the bigger ones. He must be the alpha man.
Is he like Steve?
He's the alpha.
Wasn't that Steve the alpha in that movie? The Anna or the Monkey Project? Caesar. Oh, look.
That's Caesar. Alright, let's go
Why?
before they think we have more food. They're gonna come start crabbing.
They're not.
Like your purse.
They're domesticated.
Okay, domesticated. You are thinking later.
See, you're just being racist right now against monkeys. Look how beautiful he is. How beautiful is this? Look at this little guy.